How to download Cuphead on PC or a laptop. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you how to download Cuphead or PC and laptop. Before downloading Cuphead on PC or laptop, make sure you already have downloaded a Steam application on your device and created an account on it. And then click on Store at the top left corner of the screen. And once you click on Store at top right corner of the screen, type in Cuphead on the search bar and you'll get a list of variety of options. Simply you have to select the right one, that is the Cuphead application. Then you will get access to this page where you can see the option to add to cart. Simply click on add to cart button. A pop-up menu box will appear on the screen and click on view my cart option. Now at top right corner of the screen, click on the continue to payment button and you will get variety of payment methods. Simply you need to select the payment method that is suitable for you and purchase the application. Once it is installed and downloaded on your device, for getting access to the Cuphead application on your device, simply click on library at the top left corner of the screen and search for Cuphead. And then you will simply get the Cuphead application on your PC or laptop and you can continue playing the game. So that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos.